Hey y'all. So I am trying this again with a lower bit rate. So it was like 2000 or something, and now it's 1000. So hopefully it's better for people to watch. And let's get the music going because I can't be alone with my thoughts. I'm kidding. I just don't want to have to narrativize while I'm, while I'm designing. Like, does everything need to be explained? No. Let's see. Subscription. Let's switch this neutral 6 instead of neutral alpha. We could actually make that a little, yeah. So $1,000 a month would probably fall under the custom section. And we can make this active, and it is custom with $1,000 a month. Alrighty. Let's see. We can have a save and a cancel button. Yeah, I mean, even this is like, even with the lower bit rate, it's still really slow. And maybe it's Streamlabs. I mean, maybe it's Figma, but it's like, so I don't know. Let me know in the chat whether or not I should buy a M4 Mac Mini, because I'll do it. I gotta, if it's gonna help me get WeWrite built, I'm gonna do it. Oh no. Okay, so blank. Alright, let's see how this looks. So let's go back to account settings. What else goes into account settings? I guess my username. I should be able to type in, like, change my username. Probably. So if I go here, all right, so I need to add a click. So upon click, untap, change to smart animate. And then clicking either of these buttons should dismiss here, because I'm not gonna prototype like the whole actual thing. One thing I do usually inside of these component containers is I separate. Increase the gap between them so it's easier to select that interaction in case I want to adjust it. Something's really, really off about that animation. Something's not good about it. It's like trying to draw a shadow or something. That's so weird. Maybe something about my layers is off. It's like top, and then this top. Yeah, it's just trying to, you see that, like that corner? Whatever, this doesn't really super matter because it's just a prototype. Let's increase this text size. So another thing I was thinking is like the account switcher should probably come up when I click this. So it would have account settings and it would have like logout, whatever. So maybe we can go ahead and add that, and we are in settings, so let me go grab one of the bits of feedback that I got was on mobile we shouldn't use a drop down. We should create kind of like a custom maybe like a drawer type of thing. So that's what this is, and I'll show that real quick. So this you know, on desktop we can still have drop downs, but here something like that. And I know this is ironic because this is not what the settings thing should do, but whatever. This has a hover state and a, okay, cool. All right, well, it doesn't look like I'm having the same bandwidth issues as last time, so that's good. So account settings. All right, so subscription amount. That's cool. Maybe we make another collapsible object for funding source. So let's duplicate this and call it funding source. And maybe it could be like PayPal, whatever. PayPal, Apple Pay. What else is there? Google Pay. Gopoggle. Google Pay. Bank. Can I just connect my bank straight up? Stripe. Alright, so let's paste in funding source. What in the world? Okay. So now let's test the prototype, see how that feels. So I click settings. Cool. That's fun. These animations kind of suck though, but whatever. Maybe we could do a custom bezier. I don't know how to pronounce that. But it seems French, right? Bezier, Let's make it fast and it's kind of bouncy. Let's make it not bouncy. This one's fun. It's kind of fast. Probably do better. We could probably do better about that, but it's all good. What else goes in my settings? So my subscription, funding source, so the username stuff. That's a good one. So we can make another. Call it username. And let's see if we've got a text input somewhere. Let's see. Got this bad boy. Where does this even come from? Input group. Oh, look at all these other account settings. Oh my gosh, what a mess. I'm like duplicating all of this work. Is this in a different page? Dude, where did this different work come from? It's kind of obnoxious. Okay. So yeah, I really just need to clean up these files because apparently there's a bunch of work that I've already done that I forgot about. That's the problem with the Anarchy canvas. It's easy to get lost in the sauce. So let's turn off this title. No title. What does label mean? Oh, okay, that's like a... Okay, that's fine. We don't need a prefix and we don't need a suffix. Okay, so let's paste this in there. Cool. So let's test that out, see how it feels. Cool. What else goes into settings? Obviously, there's more states that I need to add, but I think this is like good directionally. I kind of want to unite like this account switcher guy and the settings. Those kind of feel like they should be the same. So I'll put some thought into that. But this is good progress. Let's see. Days till empty. Yeah, we're not doing that. That was back when I wanted to like have a bank where you'd fill up your account and it would show you when is your account going to run out. But we're not going to do that. It's going to be like a use it or lose it situation. So whatever of your subscription that you don't use spending on other pages, WeWrite will just absorb that, because I don't want somebody to like have a bajillion dollars in their account and not be doing anything with it. It's like, just keep it in a literal bank. Don't put it on our app. So yeah, use it or lose it. See this diagram that Gilgamesh made. Let's see if there's anything. So lands on billing page, edits or selects into monthly budget, payment form, payment details, confirm payment strap, allocates budget to pages. Yep. I guess the allocation list, we could bring that back, where it's like for each page, how much am I spending? And that could probably be its own full page. So I think what we should do here is move these over, and we can have an item that's like a takes you to another page called like spend. What would that be called? It's like the list of pages that I'm spending money on. It's like they're not active subscriptions, but they're maybe like pledges. Because a subscription, the active subscription is like the main object. That my whole subscription is, you know, $10 a month or something. Maybe active pledges. And so that would be these little guys. Oh no. Alright, I need to correct its name. So this is like a active pledge. Yeah, I mean, dude, it's still skipping frames. even though I changed my bitrate settings. Someone should invent a turnkey solution where I don't have to figure out all this streaming stuff and I can just do normal. Like, technology should get out of the way. You shouldn't have to think about tech ever. Okay, so we're gonna make one of these items. We're gonna decomponentize it and we're gonna call it active pledges. We're gonna count them. Maybe it's like I've got 24 of them, and then this will be a chevron, right? If that drop down would ever open. Man, just waiting on Figma. Chevron right. Okay, cool. I'm liking this style. And we will make that animate, but not smart animate. Maybe it should move in from the left. And then clicking this back button will do the opposite. It will move in from the right. So now let's see how that feels. Cool, yay! But this, the back animation feels wrong. Something about it. Maybe it shouldn't move in, maybe it should move out. I'll be honest, I don't fully know what these mean. Maybe it should just push. Yeah, maybe both should push. They still have that Bezier curve. But I think I like that. I think that looks cool. Whoa. All of my crazy animations. It's kind of fun. Maybe the whole row could turn that color upon click. But these shadows look kind of suspicious. Yeah, if we make the whole thing this is kind of like a Celtic type of song. So you create multiple components and then combine them as variants and then add an auto layout. So what I'm imagining is when this is pressed, the whole thing could turn that color. And in order to accomplish that, we actually have to disable all of these press prototypes things or interactions. And we have to recreate them here on press, or so on tap. Well, I guess it'd be while pressing. And we could animate it too. And then while pressing here. let's get rid of all of these drop shadows. I just don't think that they're... Oh, I keep selecting the particles, dude. Oh my goodness. I really do be speaking into the void on these streams. I'm not even mad that nobody's in here. I'm just like, I think it's hilarious that I'm able to yap into the void like this. Okay, but the whole point of what I just did was to have the whole container change color, if you recall. Okay, so let's add some roundness. Plus, that just makes them more tappable on mobile. And we can kind of nudge them closer together. Like we can give it a 2 pixel. And then let's test that out. So settings, active pledges. It's kind of fun, but it's like buggy, like it should forget. That's kind of cool. Something to that effect. Like, it's not perfect. It's a prototype. It's Figma. Figma doesn't know how to make software. But then again, neither do I. So we're in the same boat. It's all good, Figma. Y'all are doing great, Figma. All right, dudes. Well, I'm dropping frames again. So maybe I just gotta go buy a M4 Mac Mini or whatever.